Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, skincare ulit tayo guys. And ang dami kasing nagtatanong kung ano yung gamit ko sa face ko, kung anong serum yung gamit ko. So I think this will be helpful if you are going to watch it. And by the way guys, include ko na din dito kung ano yung products na ginamit ko on how to achieve this very simple makeup look or no makeup look at all. If you want to know more about this look guys, just keep on watching.
Let's start by correcting it all. Lower your finger, how we call it up. One bite. Up. One bite. Let's start by correcting it all. Lower your finger, how we call it up. With heart setting the meter.
So there you go guys, that is my simple, or that is how I achieve my simple look for today. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like or subscribe.